During this video, let's try to play a little game where we count how many times I say and leave it in the comment section below. Enjoy. To inspect for cracks. Now this is a cylinder head that you're going to be seeing a little bit more of. I know when we started the deal with the Vortex cylinder heads, those heads needed valve guides. I had this other set of heads that already had the throats cut for a 202 valve, and I'll be doing some porting on these cylinder heads and doing a video for you guys to see, and a continuation of what I couldn't do with the other cylinder heads. But again, those other cylinder heads we will see later on. These are some 062 Vortex, and with this product we're going to see and inspect for cracks. So we're going to follow the instructions and see how this product works. The first step is to use their cleaner and just clean the product down. Spray it down and wipe the part off. It says to, again, take down any major, rust or whatever, or scale off the part. The way it is right now is pretty much what you can do right in the junkyard. Again, you can bring this product with you. And again, this is not paid advertising or anything. This is just me just testing this product out. I've used it before and it has worked out great for me in the past. So again, I'll leave a link in the description where you could get it off of Amazon. And I believe you could get this for like $60, a whole bot set. The next thing you use is the Penetrant, and you'll spray the Penetrant on the part, and you place the penetrator on it, and you have to wait 5 minutes so to soak into the part itself. So you have to give that 5 minutes. 5 minutes has passed, and we're just gonna again use the cleaner again to spray down and wash the dye, the penetrant, off of it. So you spray the whole part down. And then take a clean towel and wipe it off. In the instructions it says use a lint-free cloth. This is some rags I get from the local hardware store that's right down the street from me. It's pretty much cut up t-shirts. Clean up the table a little bit here. And after you have it wiped down like this, the whole surface is clean. Again, we're doing the deck surface here. We use their developer. And the developer is like white and powdery. And if you have any cracks, you'll get a big bright red streak. Oh, we got some dye coming out of there. It'll be a big, you'll be able to tell right away that you have a crack. This head right here looks to be good. Again, the instruction says you have to wait a good 5 minutes to expose any cracks. So far, we're looking good. Again, the dye ran out from the cracks here from the water jacket. So ignore that part down here, because the dye kind of come out and that will give you a false reading. Let me see if I can spray at a different angle. Again, this head looks to be good. Again, normally you'll see a crack along the water jacket. Again, if you also notice, for you guys who have a keen eye, this head has also been drilled for a 400. It has steam holes, and again, you will definitely see cracks, and this head seems to be perfectly fine. Again, this is Cantesco welding chemical products. Again, you get it right off of Amazon. And if you're out in the scrapyard looking for a set of Vortex heads, or looking for whatever heads, wherever they are, and you want to make sure they're not cracked before you take it home, or it doesn't even intake manifolds or exhaust manifolds or whatever it is, this is a good product that you can bring with you and check it out before you make your purchase, before you end up spending money buying something that could end up being no good. It's $60 well spent, and it will go a long ways, because you could use it on your engine blocks and whatever it is that you're searching for cracks for. Again, this is a quick short video. This is Broke Joe Builds, and come join us for other videos in the future. God bless. Again, there's links in the description below. Please like, share, subscribe, and as well as links for individual cans in case you run out of a product. God bless.